Alright, so we're here to put in a new gas controller on a water tank, which it has the exhaust style. Bring that down. Alright, so we got the gas line off. Alright, now let's get the igniter off. Actually, let's take these out first. Get these out of the way. Alright. And then we'll get the igniter last. Oh, and we got one ground wire too to get off. Alright, that's everything for that. Now we got to get the gas line off. So, first thing first is alright, let's get that union. Break that first. Okay. So let's try to see what we can get out of there. Alrighty. Alright, so we put the that on there and we just turn it and hold that as we turn it. Make sure that's tight. Alright. Okay, don't need this in too hard or too tight, so this one, let's just get it right to there and that's good.